Hi, tuloy natin yung ating pag-aaral ng polynomials. This time, meron tayong division of polynomials. For example, i-divide natin ang x cubed plus x squared plus 2x minus 4 ng x minus 1. Okay? So, parang nagdi-divide lang tayo ng numbers. Okay? So, x cubed divided by x minus 1, the answer is x squared. Multiply natin isa-isa. X squared times x cubed. Okay? X squared times negative 1, the answer is negative x squared. Tapos, sasubtract naman natin. Okay? Cancel si x cubed. 0 na yon. X squared minus negative x squared, the answer is 2x squared. Baba natin yung isa. Plus 2x. 2x squared plus 2x divided by x minus 1, the answer is 2x. Tama. 2x times x, the answer is 2x squared. 2x times negative 1, the answer is negative 2x. Okay? Subtract ulit natin. Cancel siya. 2x minus negative 2x, the answer is 4x. Tama? Baba natin naman si minus 4. 4x minus 4 divided by x minus 1, the answer is 4x divided by x. Ano matitira? So you have positive 4. 4 times x, you have 4x. 4 times negative 1, you have negative 4. And that is 0. So ang final answer is x squared plus 2x plus 4. Okay? Another example tayo. Divide 5x squared minus 2x cubed plus 3 by x squared minus 4 minus 2x. So, mapapansin niyo yung power hindi magkakasunod, ano? So, i-arrange dapat natin yan. Ganun din yung divisor. X squared minus 4 minus 2x. Hindi magkakasunod yung pagbaba ng power ng variable natin. So, i-arrange dapat natin yan. So, kanina meron tayong 5x squared minus 2x cubed plus 3. Ang gawin natin, negative 2x cubed plus 5x squared plus 3 yung divisor natin. Okay? Instead na ganito, dapat pababa yung power ng variable natin para mas madali. Okay? So, divided by x squared minus 2x minus 4. Ito ay x squared minus 4 minus 2x. So, in-arrange natin ang x squared minus 2x minus 4. So, pababa yung power. So, 2, 1, 0. Ito, 3, 2, 0. Okay? So, divide natin. Negative 2x cubed divided by x squared minus 2x minus 4. The answer is negative 2x. Negative 2x times x squared, the answer is negative 2x cubed. Tama? Negative 2x times negative 2x, the answer is positive 4x squared. Tama? Negative 2x times negative 4, the answer is positive 8x. Okay? So, isa-subtract natin ulit sila. Pag sinubtract natin, cancel na si negative 2x cubed. 5x squared minus 4x squared, ang matitira na lang ay x squared. And then, negative times positive 8x, meron tayong negative 8x. Okay? So, bring down natin yung positive 3 or plus 3. So, x squared minus 8x plus 3, i-divide natin sa x squared minus 2x minus 4. Siyempre, yan ay plus 1. 1 times x squared, x squared. Okay? 1 times negative 2x, syempre yan ay negative 2x. 1 times negative 4, meron tayong negative 4. Okay, subtract ulit natin. Cancel na si x squared. Tama? X squared minus x squared, 0 na yon. Negative 8x minus negative 2x, ano sagot natin? Syempre yan ay magiging negative 6x. Plus, minus, minus, ilan yan? Magiging positive 7. Okay. So, ang remainder natin, negative 6x plus 7. Ang ating dividend ay itong nasa loob. Ito naman yung ating divisor. Anong tawag dito? Ito yung quotient. So, ang sagot natin ay negative 2x plus 1 with the remainder of negative 6x plus 7. Okay? So, ang pinaka-answer natin ay negative 2x plus 1. And then minus 6x minus 7 divided by x squared. Yung divisor natin. Minus 2x minus 4. Yan ang final answer natin. Okay? So, ito yung sagot natin. Okay? Hindi lang yung negative 2x plus 1 kasi meron tayong remainder na negative 6x plus 7. Nakuha? Okay. Thank you.